MailerKit review. Send unlimited emails with the push of a button. What's the single, most reliable method of making money online consistently since 1995? If you answered email, you're right. Email marketing has always been very profitable if done correctly. Yes, you can earn more if you are able to reach more inboxes and talk to more people. No matter what business you are in, email marketing is the key to your business success. If you want to grow your business exponentially, you need emails to build a brand, close sales, engage with your audience, and get more traffic. How do you do that? By using the right services, of course. If you're not building and mailing your list, you're missing out on connecting with people interested in your website or products. Introducing MailerKit. MailerKit is a next-generation autoresponder with a built-in simple mail transfer protocol which permits you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without paying any monthly fees. MailerKit is for any marketer who wants to get the most out of email marketing without any complicated settings or expensive monthly fees. You can import unlimited leads, use the proven and high-converting templates, and get high opening rates. All your emails are delivered straight to your customer's inbox with built-in spam trap technology, so you never again get blocked and reduce your spam scores. Let's recap what you get. No restrictions on number of list imports, email campaigns, subscribers and sending emails, and a built-in SMTP. Plus drag and drop automation and done-for-you email templates for a one-time low price. That low price is $67. If you use email marketing in your business, then MailerKit is for you. Check it out today by clicking the link in the description.